Okay, we're gonna explore this cool looking street, and it's also kind of interesting because there's some beautiful apartments up here too. So these ones overlook, and there's also the World Trade Center right there, and these overlook this whole street, right, going all the way down. So let's come back and check it all out in a minute. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so this is our street, and these apartments look so cool. We're gonna check that out in a minute, and I'll just show you the sign right here too. So this sign is called Avenida do Governador, Jaime, Silve, Marques. So you have this nice median with the trees down the middle, and then right here you have it's kind of cool. So this is the World Trade Center right here. They have like some government offices in there, trade stuff, and then you just look at these apartments. They all have these little tiny little rings of circular balconies, which is pretty cool. And these also have it too. So these have these little circular things. So really interesting looking apartments. And they overlook this whole street right here. And we're gonna walk down the street in a minute. See which one's more interesting. We have that side, and we have this side, and we have this side. So I think we're gonna walk down this side of the street. So let's get across right now while we can. So yeah, that red and white one is the World Trade Center. It's kind of a playground and a park. So there's a park right here. You can see some people sitting along the park. There's some school kids going to school or coming back from school. Huh, there's a club over there called Club China. It's probably a karaoke, probably. So let's just kind of check it all out. I think this one is storage unit, so you can store stuff in those places. This one looks like a bar, San Mig Light, and you can go up, enjoy some beer. Some kind of special, $298, probably. Let's see. Oh, there we go. There's the drinks and there's the food. So it's like a barbecue. All you can eat barbecue, I guess. I'm assuming it's all you can eat. Something's for $298. The prices kind of indicate that it's probably all you can eat. It's a noodle shop right here. Let's go check out the noodle shop. Okay, let's keep on going down. Lots of tall buildings in this street. We're in an area called Zepe, I believe it's called. Japanese edamame, curry, beef and curry. It's like a Japanese, oh yeah, tunmo. It's like it's good stuff there. Huh. Kind of makes me want to check it out. A lot of Japanese places in Macau. This one is duck. So you got some duck there. So that looks pretty cool too. This one is food and coffee, I guess. Okay, right over there is Sands Casino. Huh, guess that's basically a bakery right there. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking through. So this is called Rue de Paris. Street of Paris. Paris Street. But that's just the cross street, so we're still on the other main road here. Oh, this is pretty cool. Oh, I've ate here before. Not at this particular one, but at another one that was similar. Got really good food here. It's really good. I might come back for that. So this street's making me hungry. There's just a lot of good food options. Let me just see. So got a few food options there. Medical center. Huh. Rice, noodles, baby. Oh, Bank of China right here. Big long line. I wonder what the line is for. Oh, COVID. I think they can't let everybody come in at the same time, so you can only go one at a time, I think. Oh, it's Friday. Must be a connection. Black. It looks like an espresso bar, and that's like a little delivery bike. It's Macau real estate. We're gonna keep on walking around. Another real estate there. That's the street that we're just on. This is called Street of Rua de Brussels. Bruxelles, Brussels. Huh. This one is a bank, and this one is a Japanese yakitori. A lot of Japanese restaurants. This one looks like it's maybe closed for lunch right now. Usually they'd have a menu right there, but the menu is removed. Oh yeah, there's like times it closes at 3 o'clock. There's me. Okay. Yeah, another property place. Homie. Hong Kong style. Okay. Looks like there's some construction right here. And I think you got an idea for the street, but at least you kind of got to see a little bit of what it looked like. I kind of want to cross the street, so let's just see how easy it is to cross. That street's all construction, so I don't know if I'll go down or not. So there's more down that way, and there's more that way, and we came from that way. Let's just cross and go down one more. It's called Rua de Roma, Street of Rome. So we had Paris, Brussels, and Rome. Fish restaurant. And I think we're gonna end it right there. So that's our street. That's when we just came down. Apartments, that's a massive apartment building. Sheesh, didn't know that was that huge like that. This one too, and that one as well. Okay, so we're gonna end it right there.